covered by the room. So we looked at access to data, of course, is a key problem, legislation around that data, insurance as impacted by big data, the quality of data, and the public perception of data. Within those categories, I think there are two pieces that perhaps warrant from our table pulling out. You did mention financial services and expense. We also took a look at this segment doesn't have precedent necessarily in terms of budget line items within government, and so therefore how is it that in a field that is so expensive to pioneer and to understand, how do we actually get the kind of money that's needed, the resources financially that's needed from government to assess this space. The other piece that came up quite a bit at our table was the question around trust. And this idea of where the public perception sits in terms of trusting government versus trusting company. When are those at odds and when are they not? Tends to be a up and down pendulum swing within society, which actually puts a democracy at a slight disadvantage in this space, because at moments where the public perception around government use of big data is negative and politicians need to get elected, we're not going to see as much movement as perhaps with our with competing countries that are less focused on what public perception is because they're not so concerned with getting elected. And so we felt as though trust in the conversation with people as to how it is that data is used and AI is used to better the world in which they live and their interaction with their institutions, as opposed to limit or inhibit their freedoms, is a key area to explore.
Thank you.